Okay guys, today let's work how to defend the Kimura from close guard. Okay, let's go. I go for Kimura. You hold my arm, I stand up my leg, one, hold my leg with my hand under. Now smash him with my shoulder. You stand up another leg. One. I use my hand, another hand, pressure his hips down, take my elbow out from the Kimura, finish the Kimura. Go back to close guard.